Hi, Mark Fraser, Edwards Garage here in Rocky Mountain House, Alberta. Today I'm going to do a walk around video of this 2016 Dodge Journey with the RT package. Now it comes with the automatic headlights. It's got the 3.6 liter V6 engine, 19-inch rims, heated outside mirrors. It is push button start, so it does have keyless entry. The vehicle looks in great shape for the year. Tires are in decent shape. It does have the backup sensors at the rear here. And again, there's that RT badging. Just walking down the side here. Just a couple little rock chips there, looks like. Nothing too major, no dents. But yeah, overall, it's a great shape. I just want to point out the windshield does have a crack in it, and we will be replacing that. But yeah, overall, it's in great shape. Let's go in the inside and check out the interior. So I'm inside this 2016 Dodge Journey, and first off, it's in great condition. The vehicle has just over 33,000 kilometers, very low K for this year of a vehicle. But yeah, overall, it's in great condition. And but yeah, so to the features of the vehicle. So as I mentioned, outside it does have the automatic headlights, power windows. On the steering wheel here, we have controls for your radio on the back. We have your Bluetooth controls here and your controls for your driver information center up front. Over here we have our cruise control buttons. So very convenient. And as I mentioned outside, it's got the push button start. It's got this nice big radio screen. It's all touchscreen. Lots of features on there. It does have the satellite radio along with AM FMs, of course. Down below we have more controls here. We have your AC, hazards, and then some climate control stuff. And again, down here, more climate control stuff. And down here, we have a CD player. And you don't see those much anymore, but this Dodge Journey does have it. Now, up above, we also have a sunroof. So a nice little feature on this Journey. And then just as I look at my visor here, it does have controls to program your garage door opener. But overall, it's in great shape up front here. It does have that red stitching on the leather, so that is part of that RT package. But overall, it's in great shape. Next, let's go to the back seat and we'll check out the condition. So I'm in the back seat of this 2016 Dodge Journey, and again, it's in great shape, very clean, no major rips or tears. That nice little console there. Down here, we do have a 12-volt charging port and a 120 volt plug-in. So, but overall, it's in great shape back here. Next, let's check out the cargo area in the rear. So I'm at the back of this 2016 Dodge Journey and just want to show the cargo area. There is a third row, and I do have the seats down, so just so you're aware of that. But with those seats down, it does create a lot of space for cargo. Previous owner has installed the pan mat for the rear. It has a 12-volt charging port back here, and then it has four actually tie-down spots if you do want to secure a load back there. But lots of space and very clean. So let's meet up front and we'll close out this video. So there you have it, the 2016 Dodge Journey with the RT package. It has 33,023 kilometers on it, so very low K for this year of a vehicle. And overall, the body's in great shape, the interior's in great shape, so a nice, clean, used vehicle. If you would like to schedule a test drive or just drop in and have a look, give me a call, Mark, at 403-845-3328.